Hey, good afternoon, folks. Just got a little product here I want to show you. Excuse me, this is Sakoma double-sided tape. Now, I never had a need for double-sided tape until recently. Made a little cutting board and I need that template to stay in place so I can do some writing on that thing. And I realized I need some double-sided tape, and this here's what I got. Y'all may have some that you like. You're welcome to mention that if you'd like to mention it to me. But I got this right here. See if I can cut off a little piece of this. We got sticks in my finger well enough to cut it off without cutting my finger. Hey, good double-sided tape. You peel this little old yellow part off right here. Just like that. I got it. And there she is, double-sided tape. Put that down. And go back up because it's just right there. Easy to find, easy to work with. And I probably could have taken that down right there. Well, it ain't sliding. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all saw how much I did. I just stuck that there, and you can't even push that. That's some good tape. You can pull it up, but that's the idea. We got to be able to get it off, right? Hey, I like this tape. I ain't had a chance to use it yet. Maybe you've got some situation where you need some double-sided tape. I'm recommending this stuff right here. It's by Sakoma. There will be a link in the description. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.